The DAB option makes the HD Ranger meter compatible with digital audio broadcast standards, DAB and DAB+. To analyze these signals, we should press the wheel button and select Band Terrestrial. If you want to enable auto detection function for DAB, go to Preferences by pressing the folder key for 1 second and in the Stealth ID tab, tick off the DAB checkbox. In the Spectrum Analyzer mode, we can tune any DAB signal and the meter will automatically detect the modulation parameters and demodulate the signal. When we move to the Measurements mode, we can see the power level, carrier to noise, MER, and CBR measurements for that signal. In the Measurements 3 out of 3 screen, we can see its bandwidth as well. If we move to the TV mode, we can see the full list of radio services carried by that DAB RF channel in the DAB 1 out of 3 mode, and additional metadata for the service selected in the DAB 3 out of 3 mode.